This is Corey Green with Corey's Construction. One of the most biggest benefits we offer to our client is our turnkey process. We try to include everything you need to build your house included in our base price, so there's no hidden costs. So today, to kind of illustrate that for you, we're going to show you what's included. So you can see I'm standing on the driveway. We have a 200-foot shale driveway included. You can see that the yard is grass seeded and the grass seed is starting to come up. We include 20,000 square feet of grass seed in our contract. We have 200 feet of utility trenching. We have 150 feet of trenching to the well. You can see to the side here, you can see the pipes for the septic. Septic is not included in the base price, but we are a licensed Maryland and Pennsylvania septic installer, and we can install your septic for you. You can see on the house, the gutters are included. The porch is an extra, but the porch would be to match the house. So you can see in this particular house, which this is not standard base price, but we were able to get a walkout basement, which gives a full-size door access to the basement, which is great. You can see that we had to grade the yard down a little bit to accomplish this. And then you can see we have the outdoor unit, which we hang the outdoor units up on metal frames so they're not down on the ground to help them last longer. So the standard base price includes a 612 on a homestead version with 25-year architectural shingles, and then we typically paint all the pipes coming up through the roof so you don't see the white pipes. So our standard base price includes a full basement. The nice thing is the standard base price includes 9-foot walls so that you end up with 8'8". So when you're all finished, even with the ductwork, you have 8 foot remaining if you ever go to finish your basement. The ductwork is all metal going the whole way out to the boots. Our standard basement base price includes 3 hopper windows and 1 egress window. If it's an in-ground basement, it'll include an egress window well with it. This particular house has a walkout basement, which is not standard, but if your lot allows, we strongly recommend you do the walkout basement. The stairs coming down are included. This is how we finish them, just with wooden stairs and wooden railings that can be taken off if you ever go to finish the basement. We also have the R11 basement wrap insulation included with our base price. You can see this is our Carrier HVAC systems that are included with our base price of our homes. Well equipment is not included, but we will install the well equipment for you. You see we were using a very large well tank so that your water pressure doesn't drop often. In the great state of Maryland, you'll have to have a sprinkler system, which is not included in our base price, but we will figure that all in with everything. Here we have a sewage ejection crock for the future basement, which is not included in the base price, but we can add it in. And then we have a sump crock where our footer drains tie into that. We also have a daylight drain included with this house. Standard 50-gallon hot water heater that's included in the base price. And that's pretty much everything in the basement. We had mentioned earlier we have 200 feet of utility trenching included. We also have a 200 amp electrical services included with our base price. Everything needs to take care of that. The base price includes LVP throughout the whole main area. So you can see in this house it goes from the hallway to the laundry back there, all the way through the kitchen, and then all the way through the main area of the living room. Bedrooms will be carpet and wet areas will be LVP. So fortunately, Ritz-Craft provides a fairly high-end cabinet for the base price of our homes. The doors are all soft close hinges, so they don't slam and bang, which is nice. Crown mold is included with all the standard kitchen packages. Full extension, soft close dovetail drawers are included. Laminate countertop, drop-in sink. This is the standard faucet, and you can get the standard colors are oil rub bronze or satin nickel. Some plans, if it's shown on the actual floor plan, will include a pantry. So the houses above 1,500 square feet typically have pantries included with them. Master bathroom, we've got a large double vanity with drawers and furniture grade with showing open underneath for towel storage. Again, you've got the 2 mirrors to match the size of the sinks with the lights above. Here we have just a shower with a glass shower door. Glass shower door is an upgrade, showers is standard. And you can notice we have a nice large master closet with the ladder still in here for the inspector. And then this particular plan comes with a water closet. So bedrooms are typically carpet, and then they have egress windows. Everything comes with a off-white colored walls, off-white colored ceiling, and then white trim with semi-gloss on the trim. So standard bathroom includes 30, 36 inch depending vanity, a mirror to match the same color as the vanity. We have a drop-in sink. Again, we have brushed nickel. It can be oil rub bronze, a light to match. And then you can see we have rolled vinyl in the bathroom, and then a standard tub shower. Standard laundry room includes just the laundry hookups, dryer vent, electrical, and then water for a washer and dryer, light, and then a wire shelf over that. Each house comes with 2 closets, 1 linen closet with 3 shelves, and then 1 coat closet with just a coat, and then obviously all the closets in the bedrooms.